It's a snake. I told her no, it was too cold. And there it is.
I told you it's a snake.
Baby, I am so sorry.
It's okay. I knew it was a snake.
It's going back into its... She said that.
I knew it. I just saw it.
Oh my gosh.
Because it was moving. It couldn't be the wind because there's like no wind. It's just like...
Wow, bub. Now she said she saw a snake. And I didn't believe her. I'm like, Mama, it's too cold for snakes. Because it's cold. But was it a snake, Nevin?
Yes, it's a snake.
Wow. I lived 20 years plus years in Arizona and never see a snake. Come to Washington for a month and there's a snake.
Yes.
Oh.
I knew it was a snake.
Oh, I'm sorry. I doubted her.
It's okay, Mommy.
Park over here. Baseball field. Walking path. Then we have the school. I believe it's a middle school behind the house. And that's where we go on the track. Here is another park, another baseball field, beautiful trees, clouds in the sky. Not used to seeing that. Just go. No, it's a path. Just stop till when you get at the end because we have to cross.
Very beautiful day. Washington is so green. It's so beautiful.
Big, what are these fir trees? Evergreens? Nice.
This walk is beautiful.
We're not doing the track today. We're just gonna
walk to the end,
take this path
explore.
And explore the neighborhood a little bit. It's a little country, and I'm a city girl, but this is definitely beautiful. This house right here is my favorite. It's cute. Nevin, this is Nevin's day. Auntie wanted to surprise her for honor roll and making it through another year of school remotely. She is almost a third grader. One day left and she'll be a third grader. I love tofu, Korean restaurant in Spokane, Washington. Oops, here we go. Why is my battery? Okay, there's the menu.
Is the battery down?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
With the crew. Once again.
You see the Korean barbecue grill there?
Nice and clean. Very clean. And that's what I like. Korean barbecue grill. I love tofu, fish.
Oh My
Soups and stews.
goodness.
Seafood pancake. I saw these.
Popular
Yeah.
Korean meals.
They
This is
have
going to be
baby
good.
octopus.
You want to try it?
Yes.
I liked it. But it's
Baby
good.
octopus.
And my 7-year-old asking for octopus.
Baby octopus. It's my first time trying it.
Was it crunchy?
It's not much either. It's
Okay, so we are in this.
Is it going? Yeah.
Yeah, it's going. We're in this cool Korean restaurant. Take my mask down. We are in this super cool Korean restaurant, and
You got to hold it straight. There you go.
okay, got the crew, uncle,
Already.
auntie. Oh yeah.
Say what you want to order.
So let's see. Get them in. I am going to be getting fried rice. If you can see it, I guess you can't. It's fried rice with vegetables and egg, and it has shrimp. And mommy's getting pork belly. Pork belly. Put a little bit on my hand.
All right, that is pork belly.
Yeah.
That one, so put the rice and then you got the sauce, you got the mix.
Okay, thank you.
And then this is bananas. That's all veggies.
There has beef in there.
Oh, okay. That looks good.
Those big beef underneath.
These are all the
Do we
condiments.
have soy sauce?
I think they have soy sauce here, baby.
That's what you do. You dip out of any one you want. That's why you eat it.
Kimchi.
So that's just like with every
Today is my first day that I tried chopsticks without my chopstick trainers. Because I use chopstick trainers because I don't know.
this is basically a kimchi cucumber.
I know. I know that's good too.
Broccoli is amazing. The bean sprouts are.
All right, the rest of the food is here. Here's Nevin's.
Yeah, that looks.
What'd you get?
I got fried rice with shrimp and vegetables. And also it has peas, which are my favorite kind of little vegetable.
And Auntie got the same thing I got, but with chicken.
Chicken.
The gobi, I believe it's called. Uncle's is the last one coming. And this is the pork belly. Is this hot? Probably.
She said put it over the rice, so.
Looks good.
Ooh.
And there's Uncle's tofu. It has arrived.
Yay, I'm doing it.
All right. Nevin's eating with chopsticks.
I did it for the first time.
Well, I put that over there and it was good, but it's hot.
I just looked at Nana's hands and I learned fast.
There you go. You get it?
It's hard. I just do it like this. I didn't even get anything.
Guys are here. Made it from Seattle. It is a warm morning here in Spokane. And we're heading out to Nevin's skating practice, where you can skate along with her while she's in practice.
Yes, it seems like we were too early this time.
Yeah, we're a little early, which is good.
She put herself through skating lessons.
For herself, for skating lessons. Now she's a pro skater.
Well, it's great to see the guys, so we'll see how her progress is with skating.
Where's your bag?
I just need this. I don't need the bag. Thank you. You're nice and cool, you're hydrated, and ready to go.
Yes, we got our water.
All right, well, let's get it going.
Check out one of the past
Okay, sounds good. Are we gonna sit over there, Nana? Oh my. Look at these socks. Pink camouflage. Styling.